Welcome to this video dedicated to ABB Building Analyzer. In this video, we will look at completing integration. Let's start by configuring the energy management tree in Building Analyzer. Under Building Editor, click Building Analyzer. Let's use the Aspect Controller configuration. Here on the left, you can see the site tree with all the meters of the differing metering structures created, as well as their data points. Now, you need to select the data points you wish to have appear in Building Analyzer in the cloud. To maximize the views of both trees, click here. This lets you take full advantage of the space available. First, click the global tree. Then click Add Node to create the corresponding nodes in the tree. Then, drag and drop the data points onto the node to make them appear underneath as its children. Similarly, you can drag and drop data points onto another data point to make them its children. You can also drag and drop a node with all its children. Remove the data points you do not wish to keep. To edit names, click the data point, and then click Edit Node. Edit the node name as you see fit. Once you have finished, click Update Configuration to load the data points into Building Analyzer. Your Aspect Controller is now ready to send data to Building Analyzer. Let's now see how to create virtual data points. In the menu here, click Virtual Datalogs. Click Add Virtual Datalog. Give the virtual data point a name. Select its location if need be, and indicate whether it is a driving factor. Next, select the data point type. Then select the meter type, according to what makes the most sense for the type of data. Select the interval by which to display the data. Fill in the additional fields as you see fit. Then select the operation to be performed. You can then select the data logs to use for the operation. If you want to add attribute values, here is where you should do so. Finally, read over the summary. Click the pencil icon next to any section to edit it. When everything is good to go, click Save. The virtual data point has been created. Another useful virtual data point is heating degree days. Watch how it is created. Select the operation type Degree Heating Days. Select the ambient temperature sensor. Enter the base level at which heating degree days will be calculated. Add attribute values if required. Now save the virtual data log. Now go back to Energy Configuration. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see the virtual data points. Drag and drop them onto the node you want on the right-hand side to add it to the energy management tree. And rename them as required. Move other meters in the tree to present the virtual meter in the desired relationship to other meters. We can also add our virtual heating and cooling degree day meters to the energy management tree. Note that if you are a new user, you benefit from a 30-day grace period to perform your configuration before you must purchase a license. When you are all finished, click Update Configuration to load it into Building Analyzer. Now you can open Building Analyzer application to view your configured system.